Hey guys, I wanted to make a screencast of how to get to your COVID-19 materials online. So I remember when we talked in class that we were having some issues getting the Pearson videos to load. So what you're going to need to do is first you will come to your BCPS1 homepage and you'll click on your Schoology link. And then in your courses, you'll click on your homeroom tab because that's where all your COVID-19 materials are. And in the COVID-19 folder, you'll see all the materials you need for ELA, math, my advanced math kiddos. This is your folder, social studies, science, and health. Okay, so if I go into fifth grade math and I click on the digital version resources, if I come down here to the videos, it will open up a ton of Pearson videos. Now, unfortunately, what happens is if I click it, it asks me to sign in. I can't use my BCPS login to open this up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click my back button. Okay, so it takes me back to my page of my videos. And up here, I have my BCPS1 tab still open. Okay, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to come down to Instructional and Productivity Tools where I'm going to find my Pearson. Okay, now for you, it'll look a little different when you open your Pearson. So, I don't know why it's doing that. Hang on. Okay, so you won't get this screen when yours opens. Yours will automatically open to your textbook. So I have both textbooks on here. I have the grade 5 and then I have the advanced grade 5 textbook. So now what will happen when I go back a tab, so if I go back one tab, that takes me to my Pearson Easy Bridge, which you probably won't see. And if I go back another tab, it takes me to my instructional tools.
Hey, I want to see my kitchen set.
And you can hear Hayden, she's trying to help. So I'm going to back out and I'm going to go back to Schoology and click on my courses again.
I want to see my chicken set.
Okay. And fifth grade math, digital version resources, videos, and I'm going to click on a video. And if I click here to open it up, it will now open the video. As long as you have, see how my tabs up here are all open, my Pearson tabs are still open. As long as you have your Pearson tabs open, you will be able to watch your Pearson videos. Now remember, these videos are not required, but they are there to help you in case you get stuck on a skill. All the videos that are uploaded here are the skills that have been sent home with you in the packet. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my materials and my COVID-19 fifth grade math. Now I'm going to click on my paper version resources. Okay, so what was sent home with you was week 1 whole number and decimal operations. Okay, and if I open that up, that packet's going to look extremely familiar to you. This is everything that was sent home with you for week 1. Okay, but now we're ending week 1. We're coming up on Friday, so your week 1 packet should be starting to become complete. So what you're going to want to do is if you need more materials, you are going to click on week 2, and that is fraction operations. Now, if you do not have a printer or your parents don't have access to a printer at their work, you do not have to complete these packets, okay? Remember, we talked about that. We can't force you to do these packets if you don't have a printer to print them out. So if you want to download them, you'll click this button here to print. I suggest not clicking the print button because it prints kind of wonky when you click this button. I would click the download button and you'll see it'll download into the corner of your screen and it will open up for you to print. Okay? So I'm going to try to figure out, this is all new learning for me too, guys. So I'm going to try to figure out how I can upload things for you to complete without printing, because a lot of us don't have access to printers at our houses and the library is closed. So I really hope that this helped you. Again, this is my first screencast. This is my first time kind of teaching remotely. So we're all learning together, and I hope that you guys are being patient. You're being patient with your parents and guardians because they're learning as they go too. I miss you guys, and I'll see you soon.